This little bit in the corner here may look kind of funny to some people, but definitely a little messy. And I don't usually let it build up quite as much as it is right now. But this is a standard homestead project for us. Our soil here is clay, rock dust, and almost no humus, which means our organic content is virtually non-existent. So we have to supplement everything we do here with peat moss and manure and things like that. And one of the things that we can do in our kitchen is to save all of our coffee grounds and all of our tea bags, just the contents. Some people actually throw the tea bags in whole, and I suppose if you get the organic ones with no staples and everything else. But we do have a miscellaneous collection of tea bags here. So what I do is I put them on a little plate and I let them dry, and then they go into here. And this is a mix of tea and coffee grounds. My coffee grounds go into a little shallow plastic tub, and I let them dry. For us, this process, if you do it in the morning, they're dry in the afternoon 99% of the time. And then these get scraped into here like this, and when this container gets full, they get added to one of the flower beds or one of the vegetable beds. Now, some households that drink a lot of coffee, I mean, we don't drink coffee every day, and usually it's only my husband who drinks coffee, so there's not a lot. But you're producing a considerable amount of coffee grounds if you have more than one person drinking coffee every day. One of my girlfriends was shocked when she found out how much it improved her vegetable garden. And I'm like, no, that's one of the standard things I tell you. For tea bags, because in the summertime, for instance, we will make lots and lots of iced tea. We drink it by the gallon. And you can have 10 tea bags in 2 days, easy. So all I do is rip them open, pour the tea in here, and I was really actually very pleased and almost a little surprised. We have extremely alkaline soil, so adding any kind of things that have acid in them, which is this tannic acid, is very common in the tea, makes a huge difference. And it's really funny, you won't see, you know, it doesn't go night to day in one day, but it really does improve the condition of your beds. And this goes in the burn barrel, and the net result is nothing left. We have to haul our trash to the dump here, so the less I have to haul to the dump, or my husband has to haul to the dump, the better. And we do have to pay for it every time we go to the dump. It's not included in our property taxes or anything fun like that. So yeah, it's just another recycle on the homestead. And the veggies love it, and so do the flowers. And I try and do this pretty much every 2 or 3 days, depending on how much tea bags. Some days we seem to go through 1 million of them. These are too soggy, so I'll let them sit for a couple more days. But yeah, just another little life hack on the homestead.